Hi there, Dilip here. This video is about Araku trip that we planned with 4 friends. This is a 2-day trip. We started in Arilova. We'll go to Araku via Pendutti. We'll cover most of the places in Araku and do camping for tonight. It's a sunny day. We can feel the heat. After crossing city limits, hills and greenery everywhere. You will love it. When we started, it was very hot, but now the weather has changed completely. I think it's gonna rain now. As I expected, it is raining. Luckily, we found one shelter. We had some fun there. We started our journey again in 10 minutes. There are few railway tunnels where we can click pictures. Few pictures for you. Look at that, how beautiful it is. This time it is raining heavily. Meanwhile, we are having some snacks. You can see many monkeys on the way. Be careful with them, they might attack us. Nature looks spectacular now due to the rain. We are heading towards Thatiguda Waterfalls. We tried this just for fun. Okay, covered 1 waterfalls. Now we need to check our camping location, whether we can do camping or not, because it was raining. This location reminds me of Avatar location. Generally, it would take 3 to 4 hours to reach Araku from Vizag city. But it took 5 hours because we had to stop at many places. We thought of camping in this place, but water is everywhere. So we need to find an alternative for camping. Luckily, there is a school nearby. Our night stay would be here. Now we need to get some wood and food. After our breakfast, we didn't had anything. We are just traveling and enjoying the ride. We are actually starving. We rushed to a street food stall to have something. This would be our dinner. It was very tasty. Maybe it was because of our hunger. It's pitch dark. The time is 8 p.m. I don't see anyone nearby. We are on our own. We bought bamboo chicken and some other stuff. Our morning snacks and tents. In the morning, entire surroundings are covered by fog, which makes the place even more beautiful. We did camping inside the school. We packed our luggage, had our snacks, headed towards KATIKA Waterfalls. It was cold last night. We heard some animal sounds. We don't know what they are, but they didn't come close to us. We stopped at most of the places to enjoy the nature as much as possible. Our plan has changed after seeing this weather. We only enjoy the nature now. We'll cover the remaining places next time. At some places, you can find spices and coffee bean stalls. On the way, you can find some camping sites as well. You see that railway track? We need to cross it to reach KATIKA Waterfalls. Personal cars are not allowed beyond this point. You have to hire a tourist vehicle from here. For bikes, there is no issue. Roads are very bumpy. We need to switch to off-road mode from here. Now we need to cross the track. Let's start. This way is killing us. It's draining our energy a lot. Finally, we are on the track. You can hear how fast I'm breathing. If you are going to KATIKA Waterfalls, choose the other way, which does not have any steps. Steps again. Finally, we reached the waterfalls. The amount of pain that we experienced is finally gone. We spent some time under the waterfalls. We regained our energy back after a quick bath. The waters of KATIKA Waterfalls come from the Gostani River. It is surrounded by beautiful tree cover. You can find bamboo chicken stalls even near the KATIKA Waterfalls. On the way, you can find honey stores where you can get different flavors of honey. Clouds come here to say hi. We stopped our vehicles and spent some time with the clouds. If you ever get a chance to visit Araku, don't miss the bamboo chicken. It is a must try. The best time to visit Araku is in winters. Okay, finally it's time to say goodbye to Araku. It's time to go home. The entire trip was awesome. Our journey has ended in Vizag after 2 beautiful days in Araku. Please hit like button if you like the video. Please subscribe for more travel videos.